Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the use of bin. What are the scenarios where bin can be used? In my a couple of previous videos I talked about the be and being. So if you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos. So without wasting time, let's get started with this video. So bin is the third form of the be. As I already mentioned in the previous videos, any verb has the five forms. So the be also has a five forms. So out of those five forms, the bin is the third form, that is the past participle form of the be. And bin can be used in the different scenarios. So let's see those scenarios one by one. So the first scenario where the bin can be used is the perfect continuous tense of future, present and the past tense. It means the present, future and the past perfect future tense sentences where we can also use been. For example, I have been playing cricket. That is the present perfect continuous tense. I will have been playing cricket. That is the future perfect continuous tense. I had been playing cricket. That is the past perfect continuous tense. It means the perfect continuous tense of present, future, and the past. In those sentences, we can use been. She has been cooking. She had been cooking. She will have been cooking. So these are the scenarios where we can use the been. There is another scenario where we can also use been is the passive form of the perfect tense. So the passive form of perfect tense of future, past as well the present. For example, machine will have been operated. Machine will have been operated, or that is the future perfect tense. So present perfect tense, machine have been operated, and in the past perfect tense where we can also use that the machine had been operated. So these are the scenarios where the bin can be used. So that is the second scenario, that is the passive voice of the perfect tenses: present perfect tense, future perfect tense and the past future tense. So there is another scenarios where we can also use that been is like visited or a traveled scenario. For example, have you been ever to Pune? So that is the question. Or we can also say that I had been to Pune couple of years back. So this is where we can use the bin. I hope you got an overview about the bin, where to use the bin, what are the scenarios where we can use the bin. Still, you have any doubt regarding those videos, then let me know in the comment. I'll be happy to address your doubts. So thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.